1. Hello everyone, hope you happy in learning English. Today, we'll learn how to use the also, to, and either in English. Also usually goes in the middle of the sentence to add extra information. To usually comes at the end of the sentence to mean as well in the affirmative sentence. Either is often used to show a choice between two options in the negative sentence. Example: she speaks French, and she also understands Spanish. I enjoy reading books, and I love watching movies too. You can either call me tonight or send me a message tomorrow.
Change the following sentences from affirmative to negative. 1. May likes to study with our group too. 2. John also likes to play tennis. 3. They also want to move to the suburbs. 4. Richard will also come. 5. He ate in that restaurant too. 6. We can also play baseball. 7. He was also an American. 8. She is able to hear him too. Corn.
Do you know how to answer? Let's try. 1. May doesn't like to study with our group either. 2. John also likes to play tennis either. 3. They don't want to move to the suburbs either. 4. Richard won't come either. 5. He didn't eat in that restaurant either. 6. We can't play baseball either. 7. He wasn't an American either. 8. She isn't able to hear him either. Wish you happy in learning.